Ladies and gentlemen, it's another time for the Professor Mende show. Today I will give you some general updates on VLAUNCH, on Everdome and on BONUZ. And then there will be another video where I will talk specific about NFTs because so many people were asking me where to go, what to do, left, right, up, down. But I'll show you which NFTs I have in the next video. But now let's get started. Alright guys, so basically, remember I got into VLAUNCH and this VLAUNCH is a very interesting project. Like, it's really the most crazy launchpad I've seen so far. Why? Because they give free IOs. So basically, this is the sandwich network. So basically, now it's preparation happening, and I'm like staked. So now I confirm that I want to receive notifications, and I also want to like prepare. So the whitelist is coming, and then if I'm lucky, I get the lottery. And if I get the lottery, then I get the free IDO. This means I get the tokens for free. So, for example, this project here, Launch My NFT, I participated and I got 4 tickets, which gave me 12,000 of the 12,000 tokens here and Launch My NFT. So I have 12,000 tokens for free. So yeah guys, and regarding the staking, I told you I'm a true warrior, and as a true warrior I went in with everything for 5 years. But now look at this, I staked 12,500 Vpad, and this 12,500 basically, as you can see, gave me in 17 days 2,896 back. This is like 20%, which means that if this pace continues, that in about 17 times 4, like 68 days, I should have like 12,500 in bonuses, which means that even my other 12,000, they will stake for like 5 years. I will have my initial Vpad tokens out. So yeah, and obviously I will participate on every single IDO which is happening, and hopefully I will always get free tokens, which is incredible. This is like, this is Chris and Moritz. They are better than Santa Claus, that's for sure. So yeah guys, so let's go to the next thing. So we have here the Everdome project, which is really cool. I really like it. I think it's very special, good vision. It's from the same people from Meta Hero, as you know. And basically, as I've been saying a few times, the pre-sale is starting. The pre-sale is on TENSET. There's a pre-sale here. Unfortunately, I was not on the whitelist, so I got unlucky. But maybe at the TENSET one, where they launch, there will be actually chance to get it. So all those instructions you will find on their Twitter channel. And yeah, just follow it and try to get the public sale if you can. Because at the end of the day, I think this is a good project. And yeah, you should definitely, if you like their vision and to build things in the metaverse on Mars, then I think it will fit you exactly. Alright, and then another update, what we'll do is on BONUZ. So yeah guys, on BONUZ we have also some big news, as you know. So on BONUZ, basically, I got verified here on my Twitter with my personal account, which is amazing. But also, BONUZ got verified. And this is very special because 99.95% of crypto projects, they are actually not verified. So this is extremely special, and we're keeping posting updates, and we need you guys to engage, help us a little bit to grow. We still didn't start all the shillers and all this crazy things yet. And yeah, but still we're getting some nice engagement. Our campaign is going on with the what's it called, with the memes. So there are a lot of people who participated with a lot of crazy oh man, this is crazy, with a lot of cool memes, you know. So there's also, obviously there will be rewards for the people investing without. I love the creativity. Oh man. Yeah, guys, keep on blowing those memes. The best person gets a very nice amount in bonus tokens. And yeah, at the end we will need memes at some time, because they need to be sometimes shared, because memes are funny and every project have memes. So I'm glad that you guys are actually building them. There will be obviously so much more updates on bonus, and we also always like to give education updates so people know what happened, why, this, that, because there is so much chaos in crypto and so many sources which actually don't give the very good information, that we actually decided to do it. So I think we are deserving to be verified. So yeah, guys, and what else? Yeah, stay tuned. There will be also my personal announcement for bonus very soon. It's a very, very special announcement, because it has to do with the public sale and some other things which is about to happen strategically. There's no rush. So yeah, everybody will love this update, I'm very, very sure. And now I will show you also another thing. For all of you guys who asked about Bitcoin price, this, that. So as you see, Bitcoin is now, it went really low. So now Bitcoin is actually available at a discount, like at a true discount. And I personally believe that it might eventually fall down. But if you use the cost per average model, then you actually, like, I think it's a good time to get in, because we all know that Bitcoin in the future will go to hundreds of thousands of dollars, and it's a long-term hold. So all people who got in high, just hold it and wait it out. Life is not over. And that's just one of the cycles, you know. That's blood. They call it bloodbath, but I'm not even worried. My little Bitcoin, I just hold it. I don't flip it. Even if it goes to 20K, I have no problem. We'll probably get some more. And that's very normal, guys. So yeah. And yeah, you see, guys, I'm here actually on FTX, and I actually love FTX. And one of the reasons why is, if you don't trade there, because of the fees. So look at the fees. My maker fees are 0 minus. So on Binance they are 0.075 if you have like if you have BNB tokens. So here it's much less, and for this you just need to stake some FTT tokens to get the rebate. And once you stake them, you get super discount. And you see, guys, I have a 5% referral fee only, and this 5% fee is basically a discount on all the fees because of the referrer. But if you guys go through my link, you will get even 10%, and it's huge because your fees will be so low. It's the lowest fees ever. Yeah, obviously I will get some referral money and so on, but that's very tiny. But I like to support the incredible exchange, and I'm happy here. I'm also happy with Binance and the others, but just for people who like to trade on leverage and other things, I think FTX is really cool. I don't really trade anymore, guys. I'm too busy building bonus, as everyone know, and for trading you need the head for. And I think one of the best strategy anyways is to believe in a project, buy it early and hold it long, because a project doesn't finish in 1 day, 1 week or something like that. It takes half a year, 1 year, 2 years, and if you then still hodl, then you have the big chance to go probably 100 x's and more. So I feel this is the most relaxed strategy. And obviously, if you get in early and the project founder allows you and you keep adding value, you feel actually like you're part of the project. So yeah, guys, if you want to join FTX, the link is below. Make sure you read 10% discount, then you only get it. And I believe we are done for today. And I will make the next video on NFTs. Thank you everyone for watching. May the force be with you. And yeah, happy Sunday evening and amazing week. And probably the NFT video will be there tomorrow or after tomorrow. It will be about greedy gramps, pyjama, private jet club, private, yeah, some Arab meta NFT. It will be the wolves, yeah, something like that. All right, my friends, have a nice day.